I'm Michelle Rook. Clinton has the day off. Happening Monday, USDA will release its latest supply and demand report. Now, these are the first new crop estimates provided by the agency, and there are several key numbers we'll be watching for, especially when it comes to demand. Average trade guesses for new crop corn ending stocks in the May WSDA show a big increase from last year at just over 2 billion bushels. That's using the 181 yield from the Ag Outlook Forum and 95.3 million acres in the March intentions. For soybean carryover, the trade estimate is 375 million, close to last year using a 52.5 yield and only 83.5 million acres. However, last week USDA Chief Economist Seth Meyer confirmed they're using tariff considerations in their 2025-26 estimates, which will impact exports, especially on soybeans.
If you look at the average trade guesses that came out from the wire services today, really pretty interesting that we've got a bean carry out in that 365 million bushel range, very close to where it was a year ago, and would indicate that maybe a slight step back in exports, but not anything, terrific. Bean, the corn carry out well over 2 billion bushels. I think the risk here is that you could see both of those numbers print a little bit higher if the USDA relax a little bit softer on the export side of the complex.
USDA will also update old crop ending stocks with average trade guesses showing slightly lower soybean stocks at 368 million bushels and corn at 1.43 billion. But Chatterton says that the corn stocks are starting to come into question.
A basis in a spread situation here that just doesn't seem overly bullish or seem to support the carryout number that we have on paper for the old crop right now.
Wheat production is expected to be down slightly at 1.9 billion bushels, with new crop ending stocks at 848 million. USDA will also update South American production and release the first new crop global stocks. We'll have full analysis on Ag Day.